Hi students, welcome to Sakshi FIT NEET Academy. In this video lecture, we are going to learn about a benzene, so which is one of the reactive intermediate in organic chemistry, which is known as arine. So that is what is meant by arine: aromatic compound which having a carbon to carbon triple bond, known as arine. One of the best examples for arines is a benzene. So what is benzene and what about its structure and what about the generation and in which reactions we will observe a generation, that we are going to discuss in this video lecture. So here benzene, also known as arine. So what is the common structure of benzene here? So you just take a benzene, 6-membered aromatic compound. Here see, I am taking a carbon to carbon double bond. See, these pi electrons revolves in the cyclic system, which is called a delocalization of pi electrons, also known as resonance. So along with these pi electrons, so in between any two of 6 carbons, another pi bond get exist. This is known as benzene. See here, just I am taking a orbital structure of that newly formed pi bond. See, these are the pi bonds which participates in a resonance. That another pi bond which is out of this cyclic system, by overlapping this p orbital and this p orbital very partially, and this bond is very weak bond. It's a very weak bond which is pi bond, and due to this 3 bonds, the lifetime of this benzene is very short lifetime, and it's a highly reactive. It is highly reactive. We can observe the hybridization of this carbon and this carbon, and both the carbon shows sp2 hybridization and sp2 hybridization. So this is a common structural features of benzene. Simply here, 6-membered aromatic compound, and this 6-membered aromatic compound 3 alternate pi bonds are participates in a resonance. Other than these 3 bonds, here we have another pi bond which formed between carbon to carbon, p orbital to p orbital, very partial overlapping and very weak bond, and it is very reactive, and hybridization of this carbon is sp2, hybridization of this carbon also sp2. This is known as benzene. So we can observe this benzene intermediate in a preparation of a phenol, from chlorobenzene. When we are treating the chlorobenzene with a base, that is sodium hydroxide or potassium amine, when we are treating with the base, we will get a benzene intermediate, then benzene to alcohol. This is also known as a nucleophilic substitution reaction of aryl benzene, and we can observe in a bromobenzene to aniline. This is also one of the nucleophilic substitution reaction towards a aromatic compound. So we will discuss one of the reactions which generate a benzene intermediate, So here I am taking a chlorobenzene. So I am treating with a base, that is NaOH. So the base gives Na plus OH minus. See here, this OH minus abstracts orthohydrogen. Here we have 2 orthohydrogens. Here this OH abstract one of these 2 hydrogens. That H plus is abstracted by OH minus, it's become minus H2O. OH minus H plus minus H2O. See here, this bond electron shift towards this chlorine side carbon, then this chlorine coming outside as a Cl minus. That Cl minus and Na plus, it become minus NaCl. So in this mechanism we are getting a triple bond between this carbon to this carbon, known as benzene. So to this benzene, when we are doing a hydrolysis, that is H plus OH minus, H plus OH minus. So here that H plus and OH minus, when OH minus attack to this carbon, then this pi electron shifted to this carbon, then this carbon gets a negative charge and H plus is going to neutralize this negative charge. Then we will get a phenol. We get phenol. So in this preparation method of phenol, from the chlorobenzene we are observing a benzene intermediate. We are observing benzene intermediate. Like this, we have so many reactions in which we can observe a benzene intermediate. Here we can generate a benzene intermediate from this compound here, which is orthoamino benzoic acid. So to this orthoamino benzoic acid, first we need to do a diazotization with this is a orthoamino benzoic acid with NaNO2, presence of HCl. We can convert this amine group into diazo group. So what is diazo group here? C double bond O OH, and here that NH2 converted into N triple bond N. So here having a 4 bonds get positive charge, that is neutralized by Cl minus. This is called a diazonium compound. So to this diazonium compound, presence of carboxylic acid, when we are heating this compound, it undergoes decarboxylation. See here, these electrons are shifting here, and this carbon to carbon electrons are shifting towards carbon to carbon, and here carbon to nitrogen bond get cleave heterolytically, that N to N eliminating as N2 gas, and Cl minus H plus minus HCl. Finally we will get a benzene intermediate. Like this, we can observe this benzene intermediate in so many reactions. So benzene, simple 6-membered aromatic cyclic compound which having a carbon to carbon triple bond. So here the resonance pi bond is different, here the benzene pi bond is different. The benzene pi bond formed between sp2 carbon to sp2 carbon. This is known as benzene. So hope you understand well. Subscribe the channel, share, like, comment, and hit the bell icon so that you will get latest video lectures. Thank you.